Hey friends, welcome to Smoky Good. First, let me say thank you for tuning into our channel. This is a new channel and I appreciate you choosing Smoky Good. What we're hoping to do here at Smoky Good is to make smoker cooking easy. Keep it simple with clear instructions and video details. If you like what we're up to here at Smoky Good, please subscribe. We have a lot more content on its way in the next few months. Feedback is also important, so I'd love to hear your comments so we know how we're doing. Today is all about bacon wrapped shrimp with spicy dipping sauce. Here we have our cook's notes with the details. Going to be a fairly quick recipe, and we're going to have a smoker temperature of about 400 degrees. This is a great way to use your pellet smoker at higher temperatures to cook some delicious food. This is going to be a quick cook. Shrimp cook quickly, maybe 3 or 4 minutes only. And you can find all the recipe details on our Smoky Good blog, including this tasty dipping sauce. Check out the link in the description below. Well, here's the finished product, my friends. Don't they look fabulous? Smoky bacon wrapped around delicious tender shrimp, and a great dipping sauce to go with it. Wow. Thanks for tuning in to Smoky Good. Hope you got what you came for. Please subscribe or give us a comment. Let us know how we're doing. Check us out at smokygood.com.